Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your financial health with NerdWallet. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the NerdWallet website. Once the home page loads, locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. You will need to enter your email address and create a secure password. After that, fill in the required personal information, such as your name and address. Once you have completed the registration form, click Create Account. Next, check your email for a confirmation link from NerdWallet. Click on the link to verify your email address and activate your account. After your account is activated, log in using your credentials. Now, navigate to the Financial Tools section in the main menu. Here, you will find various tools to help automate your financial health. Start with the budgeting tool to get a clear picture of your spending habits. Click on the Create a Budget option to begin. Input your monthly income and fixed expenses such as rent and utilities. Next, add variable expenses like groceries and dining out. The tool will then help you visualize your budget and set financial goals. Once your budget is set, explore the Credit Score Tracker feature. This tool will allow you to monitor your credit score over time. Connect your bank accounts securely to track your transactions automatically. Use the Savings Goals section to set targets for future financial milestones. Enter specific amounts you want to save and the timeline for achieving these goals. Take advantage of personalized recommendations provided in your dashboard. These recommendations may include credit cards or investment accounts suited to your profile. As you make progress, revisit your budgeting tool and savings goals regularly. Adjust your strategies as needed based on your financial situation. Utilize the Alerts feature to receive notifications on important financial updates. This will help you stay informed about your accounts and goals. Finally, leverage the community resources and articles available on NerdWallet. Engaging with these resources will enhance your financial literacy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.